Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. So if you are facing this issue, I will show you how to fix this. So for this, first of all, just go back from WhatsApp and open the Google Chrome browser on your mobile. And then in the search bar, you have to search for WhatsApp, simply WhatsApp, and now you will see this kind of interface, the official site of WhatsApp. Now tap on these three bars in the upper left corner. So from here you just have to tap on this help center, and in help center if you scroll down you can see this option get in touch. Tap on this get in touch, and now you have to tap on this for all question related on WhatsApp Messenger. You can see this blue contact us. Tap on this. When you are on this page, what you have to do is you just have to enter your phone number you are using on WhatsApp, and now you have to enter your Gmail address. You can see my country is already selected. If yours not, you have to select your country as well, and then you have to enter your Gmail here and confirm the Gmail address. And now you have to enter your phone, like on what phone you are using the WhatsApp, Android, iPhone or something. So I am going for Android, and then you have to enter your message here. So you have to write something like this: hello WhatsApp team, my WhatsApp account is blocked. I'm sorry if I install third party application. I don't know what the issue, but please fix this for me, thank you. And then after doing all these things, you just have to tap on this next step. This option will appear, so you just have to tap on this send question, and WhatsApp will review your application and they will hopefully solve your problem. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.